Hello everybody, Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Pixie's breath knot. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to come over here and put a fold in there. Doesn't matter which one it is. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. Come over here, bring it around like this. Then I'm going to fold it in half like this, and I'm going to come across. And I'm going to come up and over like this. This is what we have so far. I'm going to fold this in half again. I'm going to come around like this, and then I'm going to come through the loop we just did here, and I'm going to keep it folded in half like so. The best part to do it is right there, and then we're going to leave that kind of hanging out like that, like a loop. I'm going to come over here like this, still fold it in half, and I'm going to come up and through like this, and then I'm going to do the same thing, fold it in half, going through this right here. And leave it hanging out like that. Then I'm going to fold it in half, come back around like that, and then I'm going to do a wreath. Pull this up, and then go around it like this, creating that loop there. So you have that. Let me put my collar down here, because we're just about done, but I gotta do something with this thing hanging out. So this is the Pixie's breath right here. Can get some ear looking things. Let's unfold this. Should not be hard to do, and then let's just leave it hanging out the bottom like that. So there you go. So you have the little wreath thing there. You have these two little ear looking things, or loop looking things, and then hanging out the bottom. So there's the Pixie's breath. So again, on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.